Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix the problem of After Effects 2025. I have installed just for you people to solve this problem. Otherwise, I'm using 2020 version. So let's solve it out. The problem of GeoLayer. So you have to open, first of all, I will tell you and I will show you how to install it in this version. So let me close this one. Can you see in the extension menu there is no GeoLayers, only motion 4 is there. So let's install it and solve this problem out. Okay, you have to do what I am doing, so please watch the video till end to know, and then you can ask questions after in comment. So you have to install first of all a GeoLayers version, latest version. So you have to open your GeoLayers file. Like if you don't have, like, it is not the latest version of GeoLayers, which like I will tell you where is it. So it is not the latest version. Okay, it is not the latest version. It was not working in 2025, but you need to install the latest version like this. As you can see here, 11.1, and that is 7 point. Okay, so you have to install the latest version. Like here it you can see 3.1.7.0. okay, but here you can see the latest version, and you know, here is the file 1.11.1. you have to install this one. Okay, so it will work definitely. First of all, I want to extract this here. Just let's just extract it here. So it is the file here, you can see, but sometimes it gives you the extension menu here. It is really easy because it gives the shortcut of that. So first of all, you have to open this file. This is the file. So just copy it from here, and it is really easy if it gives this extension directly. Okay, so you'll have to paste it here. Okay, otherwise if you don't have like this file, if it don't gives, okay, but the new version, I think it will give you. So then open C, then come to this programming files. Okay, 86, just come here, and then common files, you can see common. So then Adobe, like Adobe file, you can click on over there. So then CEP, click on to CAP. Don't go here and there, but go here. Then extensions, then it you will come here. Can you see there is GeoLayers or not? So it is not present. Okay, just paste it here. When you paste it here, the first thing is just when it will finish. So I will tell you the next process. Now you need to do what? Open After Effects. Okay, this problem faced a lot of people because of their After Effects latest version. I don't know why they are facing this problem. Do you see the GeoLayers? It came. Okay, directly it came, because if you don't have the latest version, so it will not come. And that was my old version. I have two GeoLayers. One is 11 point, one is 7 point. The old version can work in 2023 till, and the new version can work in 2024 and 2025. Okay, so this is the GeoLayer. The second thing, if it does not come here in extension, can you see Windows extension? If you click here, it is not coming. Okay, then come to edit and preferences, and then come to general. If you click to general, okay, so it will open a menu setting. Okay, can you see the scripting and expressions? Okay, just click it here. If it is not checked, it will be like this, so you will check this. Okay, then it will come. then it will come. Okay, if here it is also not come, okay, just do one thing, just close this, restart your PC, and then open it. It will definitely come, and it is not the problem. Like here you can see a lot of maps are there. What you have to do is just install the latest version of GeoLayers, and it is really good because it is the update version. If you are using 2025, okay, for 2020 or 2021 or 2022 till 23, it will work the old version. Okay, so just you have to, like, I have opened one just like this file or project, so you will also do it. Okay, no problem. But you will face in this version the problem of rendering. Also it has like it needs high graphics card for this one, and this version can support 1 GB, 2 GB, and 4 GB. Till 4 GB it will be really good if you are using After Effects 2020. 1 GB graphic card will be also working in this version. Okay, so please, if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment me for your feedback, and share it with your friends to 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 find this kind of informative videos. Have a great day. Nice, take care. Bye bye.